Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change lowercase to uppercase in Excel without formula. So if you want to change case in Excel program without using any formula, so just you need to click on View tab. In here click on Macros and click on View Macros and give any name for this macro like change case. Then click on Create. Now remove this text and open this website techproadvice.blogspot.com. It's my own website, and search in this site how to change lowercase to uppercase in Excel without formula. So you will find this formula. Just you need to copy from here. So copy this formula, and also you will find this formula on internet. So copy and paste here. Now close this window, and now to change case like lower to uppercase, select your text, click on this macros, view macros, and select change text case, then click on run. Now you need to type for lowercase this L, uppercase U, and proper case P. So like we want to change from lower to uppercase, so type U, then OK. So as we can see now, this all text are changed in lower to uppercase, from lower to uppercase. And similarly you want to change from upper to lower, so select then macros, view macros, and select change text, run, and here select L, then OK. So type L and OK. That's it. So hopefully you like this video, and by this simple step we can know how to change lowercase to uppercase in Excel without a formula. Thanks for watching.